This is the Hurricane Turning Tools Cryocut 16th inch parting tool, model number HTT-526. Discover the perfect combination of quality and affordability with Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools. Each tool is made from cryogenically treated M2 high-speed steel, increasing wear resistance by up to 3 times while still maintaining the superior sharpness properties of M2 steel. This enables you to spend more time turning and less time sharpening. Each HTT 526 is 1/16 of an inch thick and 1 1/4 inch wide. The solid beech handle is 8 inches long for a total length of 15.5 inches, providing you with balance and control while still maintaining maximum comfort. The Hurricane Cryocut 16th inch parting tool is ideal for both beginners and experienced wood turners alike. Whether you're working on intricate details or shaping substantial projects, let Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools help you achieve perfect results every time.